What if I told you there's a way to go green, support renewable energy, and save money on your electricity bill without spending $20,000 on solar panels? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what I found with Community Electricity Aggregation, and it completely changed how I power my home. Today, I will show you why I passed on solar panels and how this lesser-known option might be the right solution for you too. Stick around, this could save you thousands. Let me explain how it works. So what exactly is Community Electricity Aggregation, or CEA for short? In simple terms, it's when your town or city buys electricity in bulk for all participating residents and businesses. Think of it like Costco for electricity. Buying in bulk means better rates for everyone involved. Here's how it works. Your local government partners with an electricity supplier to purchase power at wholesale rates. They negotiate for better prices and often for more renewable energy in the mix. You still get your electricity delivered through the same utility company and receive the same bill, but the supply portion comes from this community program. What's amazing, you don't have to install anything, sign a long-term contract, or make any upfront investment. You're simply pooling your purchasing power with your neighbors to get a better deal and often greener electricity. This kind of program can also give you access to cleaner energy sources, such as wind and solar, without the need to install panels on your roof. It is an easy way to start reducing your carbon footprint while saving money, something solar panels just cannot offer on their own. Why did Community Electricity Aggregation win me over? First, there's zero upfront cost. The upfront cost of installing solar panels was high for us, especially since we had several urgent expensive upgrades to make in the house, like removing all knob and tube wiring, which is very common in homes in Massachusetts, insulating the entire house, and replacing the leaky roof. I didn't have to spend a dime to join the program. It was actually the default option in my community. Second, I started saving money immediately. My rate with the CEA program here is fixed at 15 cents per kilowatt hour for 3 years, and it does not change despite the fluctuations in utility rates. The CEA program in my town was renewed at such a low rate because it was popular, and we believe it will renew again after 3 years. Third, flexibility is incredible. If I decide the program is not right for me, I can opt out of it at any time without penalties. Try getting out of a 20-year solar lease that easily. Fourth, I'm still supporting renewable energy. The program allowed me to choose a 100% green energy option for my home, but without all the installation hassles and the cost. I am still supporting renewable energy, but my wallet is not taking a hit. Plus, I do not have to worry about the ongoing maintenance, monitoring, or making sure the panels are functioning correctly. Nothing to clean, repair, or replace. Another big factor for me and my husband was the environmental impact. While solar panels are great, they're not the only way to make a difference. By participating in the CEA's 100% green plan, I'm still helping support renewable, clean energy like wind and solar farms while reducing my home's overall carbon footprint. And because it's a community-driven initiative, it's not just me making a difference. I'm contributing to a larger movement of neighbors who are all doing their part. Let's talk numbers for a second. Installing solar panels can take 5 to 10 years to see a return on investment, depending on your location and the system you choose. That is a long time to wait for savings to kick in. So people who do not plan to live in their houses for a long term, like 10 years or more, hesitate to invest thousands of dollars into solar panels because they may not recoup the cost within that time. CEA, on the other hand, offers immediate savings right from the start. For us, it was about getting the benefit of renewable energy without waiting for years to see a financial return. What I love about the CEA is that it's not just about me, it's about collective action and real sustainable change. Another benefit of the CEA program is flexibility. If I ever feel like the program is not offering me the best deal or I want to try a new energy provider, it is easy to switch. That is not the case with solar panels, where you are pretty much stuck with what you have installed for years. Plus, many CEA programs allow you to choose the percentage of renewable energy you want, so you can make it as green as you would like. The starting point for CEA program in my community is 10%, but we enrolled to the 100% renewable energy. Now, I'm not saying CEA is right for everyone. Choosing CEA over solar panels was the right decision for me because it was available in my town and because we didn't have enough resources to invest in solar panels despite the generous government initiatives. Solar panels might make perfect sense if you have an ideal roof with perfect sun exposure, you plan to stay in your home for 15 or more years, you can afford the upfront investment, and you want to maximize your energy independence. But community electricity aggregation could be better if you are renting or living in an apartment, your roof isn't ideal for solar, you might move in the next few years, and you don't want to take on debt for the installation. You want immediate savings without upfront costs. Check if your community offers an aggregation program by visiting your town or city's website or calling your local government offices. You can also look at your utility bill. There might be information there about existing aggregation programs. Going green doesn't mean going broke or making huge lifestyle changes. For me, CEA provided the perfect balance of environmental benefits, cost savings, and a simplicity. I'd love to hear about your experiences with either solar or community programs in the comments below. And if you're considering your energy options, I hope this video helped you see that there are alternatives worth exploring. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical sustainability tips and check out my blog at SaltaEcoLiving.com, where I dive deeper into sustainable living choices that don't break the bank. Thank you for watching.